Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play Want You Back by 5 Seconds of Summer on ukulele. There's only 4 chords that you need to know for this song, and none of them are bar chords, so it's pretty easy to play. Also, there is no capo required, so with that being said, we can get right into the chords. The first chord is going to be A minor. Then we have a G major. Then an E minor. And last we have an F chord. Those are the only chords that you need, so now we can move into progressions and strumming patterns. Okay, so the progression for the intro, the verses, and the bridge is all the same. It's gonna be A minor, G, E minor, F. Then for the second line, you're gonna stay on the F and then do G, E minor, F. The strumming pattern that we're gonna use for the intro and verse 1 is single down strums. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that would work with the beat count. You're gonna start on your A minor and strum down 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you notice that I'm switching to the G on the and beat that comes right before the 3. It is kind of different, and this is something that you need to be aware of, but if you want to, you do have the option of just switching on the 3rd beat. So you could do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. However, in the original track of the song, you do hear the piano line where the chord is being played on the and beat. I'm gonna go ahead and go through that with the entire progression with the 8 chords. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then you stay on that F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's all you would do for the intro and the verses and then also the bridge. So I'm gonna go ahead and sing that with the lyrics to the first verse. Going through the intro once.
Last time that I'll see your face. Is it tears or just the pouring rain? Wish I could say something that doesn't sound insane, but lately I don't trust my brain. You tell me I won't ever change, so I just say nothing.
Then going into the chorus, the progression is going to be F, G, E minor, F, and you're just going to keep repeating that one progression. The strumming pattern that I like to use is down, up, mute, mute, up. How you do a muted strum is you just rest the side of your palm on the strings as you're strumming down, so it's not going to make the sound of the chord. Going through that with the chorus progression, it's going to sound like this. Down, up, mute, mute, up, down, up, mute, mute, up, down, up, mute, mute, up, down, up, mute, mute, up. If you find the mutes to be too difficult, you could definitely do an easier strumming pattern like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So that's down, 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 up, one time on each chord. And then of course you're also going to have to be aware that because the progression ends on the F chord and also starts again on the F chord, there's going to be a point there where you're doing the strumming pattern twice on the F chord. So as you end it, it'll be down, 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 up, and you're going to stay on it and then do down, 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 up, go to your G. I'll go ahead and sing through the chorus with the strumming pattern of down, up, mute, mute, up.
No matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back. No matter how long you're gone, I'm always gonna want you back. I know, you know, I will never get over you. No matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back.
Then the second verse is going to be the exact same thing that you did for the first verse, so I'll go ahead and run through that.
I remember the freckles on your back and the way I used to make you laugh. Cause you know every morning I wake up, yeah, I still reach for you. I remember the roses on your shirt when you told me this would never work. You know, even though I say I moved on, yeah, I still dream for you.
Then you'll go back into the chorus, which is the same thing that you did before. Next, we have to talk about the bridge, which, like I said at the very beginning, it's the same progression as the intro and the verses. For the bridge, I'm gonna go ahead and use the strumming pattern of down, 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 up, one time on each chord. So starting on the A minor, it's gonna be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, stay on your F, G, E minor, F. And now with the lyrics.
You know, even when I say I moved on, you know, even though I know that you're gone, all I think about is where I went wrong. You know, even though I say I moved on, you know, even though I know that you're gone, all I think about is where I went wrong. Yeah, I still dream for you.
Then the line that you sing right before you go back into the chorus, you're gonna do A minor, G, E minor, F. And you're gonna do one single down strum on each chord. You could do the beat count where you switch on the and beat, or you can just be on each chord for the full 2 beats. It's whatever you wanna do. I'll go ahead and give the example by switching on beats 1 and 3 instead of doing the and beat. So,
no matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back.
Then going back into the chorus.
No matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back. No matter how long you're gone, I'm always gonna want you back.
Then for the outro, the part where you're singing always gonna want you back a bunch of times, that is just the same progression as the chorus, so you'll just carry that on to end the song. So it would sound something like this.
No matter where I go, I'm always gonna want you back, want you back. Always gonna want you back, want you back. Always gonna want you back, want you back.
And then you can just keep repeating it as many times as you want to before you bring the song to a close. And that is all you need to know to play this song. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!